How to fix Discord won't open on Windows. Here are some tips that would help fix Discord won't open on Windows. 1. Eliminate all Discord related processes via Task Manager. 2. Run task kill /f/imdiscord.exe. Command as admin. 3. Disable all active proxies and VPNs. 4. Try resetting or flushing. DNS by running IP protocol configuration /flushins command as administration. 5. Clear all Discord related items in %of data %end %local app data %folder. 6. Try logging in the web version of Discord at https://discord.com. 7. Try running Discord in compatibility mode. 8. Run sfc/scano command and dism scan as admin. 9. Update Windows and Discord. 10. Other tips are, set the Windows date and time to automatic. Remove, using recommended uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide, and reinstall Discord. Disable installed browser extensions one by one. Try granting Discord with admin permissions. Perform a clean boot and see if some installed program blocked your Discord from working. Remove potential malware using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide.